said it might need clean.
No transactions complete without paying the money. So right now, I'm literally paying for a vending machine business. This is a money counter. It's crazy. It's normally for 1T. Let's go.
All right, guys. So I'm here with my business partner, Cola. So I'm buying the business. I'm buying the vending machine business. I had a 4% partnership, and I'm going from 4% to 90%. So I'll be breaking down a video of why I'm doing it, the numbers and the math and stuff. But I just want to take you guys along. So we already went and looked at the snacks. Now we're going to a route. Probably not going to take the camera in there, but I'll show you guys taking over the box truck. We do have a worker. He's going to continue to work it, so it still will be semi-passive, but I will now have to take care of the taxes and just making sure that the integrity of the business is upheld. So it's about to go down. I'm excited too, because I'm about to, just even having this box truck, I realized like I'm gonna be able to do my little pop-ups and little things like that on the weekends. So this thing is gonna get some use, probably eventually wrap it, but I'm excited. Let me take you guys along this journey and show you what's going on.
He's out of gas, you know, on the road.
Khalil's breaking down systems.
Yeah. So Khalil's like, so come Friday, I fill up the truck with gas, make sure my driver's never at a point where he's on a route and he's out of gas, or he's got to stop, which is going to, you know, cost him an extra 20-30 minutes. Not every Friday. I fill up the tank, I remove all the recycling, declutter the box truck, and then I make sure, to the best of my ability, that the truck has ample amount of products, snacks, and drinks, so that if someone were to jump in the truck right after me, they'd be ready to go to any location at any time. See, right in the big boxes,
He's gonna just be talking all day, bro. Just messing around.
If I get to the truck and these options are like less than half full, I'll just grab one of these little 30 count
If
boxes.
it's less than half full,
Like-
you'll just grab another one.
No, yeah, like in the truck.
So if there's 20 of these, you'll grab another box.
Well, yeah, because the boxes that we have in the truck are 60 counts.
Oh, okay.
So normally it's better to just refill the 60 counts from Keystone.
Okay.
But if I get in the truck on a Friday and it's less than half full,
You'll
I'll
buy
just
one
snag
of
just
these.
to keep
Okay.
it at the time, you know.
So my boy Cola here is so you know I have my vending machine businesses. He's been running the bigger business. Like I said, I'm taking over. So now we're at Costco Business Center, and he's teaching me what I need and how I need to buy stuff, because me personally only have one snack machine. Now how many snack machines am I taking over about?
Like in total, snack machines alone?
Yeah, just
Probably like 10.
like 10
12,
snack
12.
machines now, so it's going down. As my boy Cola is taking me around, I just kind of had an epiphany. You are who you hang around. The fact that he has all of this information and he's able to impart it on me, I'm literally learning how to make money just walking around Costco with this dude. He's teaching me stuff. So just be very conscious of who your friends are. AKA, this dude owns Good Coal too. So if you don't know about Good Coal, Google Good Coal. He's doing some epic things. So
Yeah.
get that boy. We're about to push this. How long will it take to sell all this, you think?
Honestly, this will probably sell in about 2 weeks.
2 weeks
If not less. I mean, some of these bottles will be gone by the end of the week.
That's crazy.
But some of this stuff will last.
So you're just doubling up.
Pretty much.
A little double up. The boy just spent $386.
You throw in the garbage one? I don't need that.
So your boy got a box truck. I think it's one of the coolest things ever. I forgot about this part of the deal. The box truck's mine, right?
Huh?
The box truck's mine?
Yeah.
That's part of the deal? So we just got to one location. I'm not gonna show a lot just cause it's like private property. But I already know how to fill vending machines. I just had to learn like more about snack machines. There is a game changer. I own a laundry machine, washer and dryer. It's just coin operated, so it's really cool. Getting a phone call, but yeah, so I'll try to show it real quick, try to show the laundry machine, show the location, but I can't show too much. Like I said, it's on private property, but pretty much that's it. Acquiring the business, had to learn everything. We're gonna finalize everything July 1st, but yeah, so you see, He just loaded up all the snacks. I'm making him do all the work. But yeah, we're working. Like I said, make this part pretty quick. Go out the location. Just showing me kind of what goes in this specific location. On Tuesday, I'm gonna go around. We have a bunch of locations, so Tuesday I'm gonna go around. But this would be my main priority. We have a worker that takes care of the rest of the routes, and then Cola takes care of these routes. I'll be taking care of them for now. So this is crazy. So I've never seen this before. This is well, I've seen it before, but this is a coin op machine. When we bought this location, it was included. So as I buy the bigger vending machine business, I'm buying a bigger partnership. I was a 4% partner, now I'm 90%. Keep him on as a consultant, but I own some washing machines. That's cool. So it costs $3 per load. So every time somebody washes clothes, I make money. And what's the cool thing is it's all profit. I don't pay for electricity. I don't pay for anything. It's just money to the pocket. That's crazy. Pretty much done wrapping up the sale of this business. That's why I'm with Cola. We're transferring ownership. We paid off some partners. Becoming the primary owner. Cola will still have a percentage, but he'll be much more passive and on a consulting type thing. He knows the routes better than anybody, short of maybe our worker. But I had one question. Credit card readers. So I think it's super cool. So I have my machines. Is it instant? So if someone buys something on the, are you receiving money every day?
No, you get paid out on the back end once a week.
Ah, so it's just once a week?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just get, is it Monday, Tuesday? How does that work?
Well, it depends on what time of the month you sign up. Our payouts are on Friday. Well, so yeah, our payouts are on Friday, but some people's payouts are on Monday.
Okay.
And you get your payout, and then it takes a day for it to process to your bank. So actually, the money lands on Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So every Saturday, you just get a fat chunk of change.
Yeah.
From all the card readers.
Correct. Yeah.
That's crazy. How many machines exactly do we have? Do you know?
I don't know offhand. I'd have to I could figure it out.
About how many?
Maybe like 30 to 40.
Okay.
But it used to be over 100.
Okay.
Downsized it.
So I have 40. I'm gonna start saying 40.
Yeah, that's good. That's plus your 6.
Yeah. So I have about 45 machines total after the sale of this. So we're gonna finalize everything at the end of the month, but yeah, we're rocking. So what's crazy is I'm still receiving money off of all of these deals today. So because I'm a partner. So it's crazy because I get paid out once a month. So it's cool to see I'm working on this deal.
Yeah.
And I still got a payment from the deal.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's a full money's funny.
Money is funny. We said it might need clean.
No transactions complete without paying the money. So right now I'm literally paying for the vending machine business. This is a money counter. It's crazy. It's normally for 1T. Let's go. So just bought the business. Again, I have a video on that soon. And then now he's gonna teach me what to do with ones and stuff that we make. So I have my own system for my family van, but I gotta learn what to do with all the ones that I take out of all of these machines. Gotta learn the spreadsheeting system. So I'm about to go into that. Stuff's boring. I'm just about to be on a computer. Once you get a vending machine or something, let me know and I'll share my system with you. But for now, that's the end of this vlog. You wanna say anything, sir?
Nah, man. This money. Keep hustling.
I'm gonna end it right there. Let's just keep hustling.